What is up, guys? Today I'm actually going to be doing a cool testimonial on Caballero Wear. And, I'm very excited to do this actually. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a company that I'm very passionate about. I've actually been a customer for about 3 years. And I've always struggled with what kind of shoes I got to wear for different occasions and things of that nature. I was a big fan of Vans and those Steve Madden shoes and all that stuff. Stuff that was cheap, that was convenient and looked good. But one of the crazy things that I started realizing after buying a pair of shoes, another pair of shoes, is that it just would deteriorate. It would just like mess up over like maybe a year or two, and there were little holes or things would start coming out. And I was really looking for something quality, something that I can wear, I'm proud of, that I can wear with anything. And of course, I came across Caballero Wear, and when I realized it was made from full grain leather from Colombia, inside and out, I was very impressed. So I had to buy them for myself. And the first shoe I got was the Albert style slippers. This one I bought about 3 years ago, and I've been using it ever since. As you can see, the wear and tear is minimal, and it just really just it stayed very put together. This I wore it with jeans, I wore it with some khaki shorts, I wore it with khaki pants, navy blue suits, and it was just a very nice, classy way of wearing it. And I never wore slippers before, just so I never wore slippers. But when I saw Caballero wears like their ad and stuff like that, how to wear it and what to mix it with, I was like, yo, I have to get a pair of those. Then my next pair were these boots. These boots were freaking amazing. One of the reasons why I love these so much is because this you can dress down a little bit down with, and you can dress up with. So with this, I've wore my nice, dark denim jeans. I've wore them with some lighter jeans. I can wear it with different types of watches that I have and different type of bags that I have. It just gives it a nice, kind of like a vintage look that I go for. And the brown is just beautiful. It's just really nice, and it just goes with everything I have that I own. And then last but not least, I went with I just got these. These are called I believe they're double monk sneakers. Now, this is a hard transition for me, guys, because I was a very, very loyal fan with loyal customer of Vans, and I love Vans, man. Vans is a great company, but the thing is, like, they're so mass produced. Meaning there's so many, there are millions of shoes out there, and the materials, they're $50 shoes. So the materials are just are your average materials. This is leather through in and out, and the rubber soles just makes it nice and comfy to walk on. I transitioned, man. I transitioned from Vans to these black and white shoes, and these sneakers, man. I'm gonna tell you, these are so dope. I also wear with a lot of things. I wear them with my jeans. I wear them when I go to my meetings. I can dress this up with a nice suit. I can dress down with some jeans, like I said before, a nice t-shirt, whatever it may be. Now you're probably wondering, okay, this kid just said that he can wear these shoes with everything. That's the point. You can. With Caballero Wear, you can literally use these shoes for any occasion, any type of style, and they feel great. They last for a long time, and it's good material, man. It's just good material. It's 100% leather. A lot of people will tell you, that their shoes are genuine leather, or, they're bonded leather, which is the worst. Now, get educated on that, because when I thought what genuine leather was, like, oh, it's genuine, it's real leather. Yeah, but there's different tiers and different levels of leather, which Caballero where in the website can explain to you what it means. And they're in the top tier, guys. So if you guys are looking for shoes that you can wear with anything, literally, and I mean anything, and you're looking for that style, that it factor, that nice conversation starter, get Caballero Wear, man. These are dope. I love them. I went from, again, wearing some average sneakers, some Steve Madden, some Vans or whatever, to these bad boys. I love it. Caballero Wear, that's where it's at, guys. Peace.